C3 Hydrocoat is a brand new product to our range. It will deliver similar properties to our existing products, as in great water bead and dirt repellents. Only with Hydrocoat, it's a brand new application method. This is a spray-on rinse-off product. So you would spray the product onto a wet car after washing and then rinse off a panel at a time with a pressure washer to see instant beading. Due to the incredible water and dirt repellency, your vehicle stays cleaner for longer, making ongoing maintenance quick and easy. This is a fantastic product to use during the winter months. As always, it can be used on coated and uncoated cars.